you guys have been watching my YouTube channel, I originally got this case for my Steam Deck, but it's Velcro. If you guys watch the unboxing video, you can tell right there it's not even working. It's an awful, awful design. Not just that, if you put the Velcro down wrong, the zipper right here, it won't, you gotta like fit it over it. So I gave up, went ahead and bought whatever. There's a link in the description below because there's two of them in here. Got them on Black Friday. Ordered both. And then whichever one I don't like, I'll just return it. So we're going to be unboxing one of them. And then the other one. If you guys want to watch, I'm sure in my YouTube somewhere, you'll see the other one. There's one of them. That's going to be, it just says, well, check out my YouTube. It don't have a name on it. You think it'd come in a box or something. So we're unboxing this one first. That's how they came because I ordered two different models. So we got over here the Steam Deck, my typical stuff I use, a power bank, charge brick. I do have a headset and all that, but I don't carry that with me. Let's unbox that second one that I got. This one looks a bit more roomy, a little bit bigger. Did have issues with the other one I unboxed with this. I like the, I don't think it's leather. I think it's some type of different material. It's kind of slippery. Doesn't feel as thick as what leather is, or as stiff. Nice little output for your headphones or a charge cord even. Feels like an armored front. It says it's waterproof. Nice leather top, leather strap at the top. Doesn't look like it's riveted in on that side, so it may be sewed in. Looks like a little clip for your keys or accessories. The padding doesn't feel as good as the other brand that I just showed you guys. Oh, I would swear this is almost the same brand, just a bit cheaper. Everything's got a clip right there, clip right there. Really heavy duty strap. And down here it has the same hook as what the other one had. It just don't have the tightening so it doesn't fall off. Nice metal, not plastic. It's sewn in. If that's sewn clear through there, that's a lot of stitching to keep that together for a long time. Oh, it doesn't unzip all the way? Oh, yeah, it does. Ooh. Like, that could be a problem. So the problem with this one, I was hoping it would come in better fitted. There's nothing to protect the thumbsticks. And I kind of like the thumbsticks to be protected. These are kind of just like slip areas. This zipper isn't even working. That, see, it's open right there. The zipper's broken. Oh, it wasn't zipped. That was weird. It looked like it was zipped on this side, but not that side. Oh, that's a very small pocket. It only goes to right here by that. So that could fit. That won't fit my keyboard well. Nope, won't fit the keyboard. I think it'd fit this. Definitely, that's a good choice for that. And we got a couple pockets here. We got a full-size one. I'm trying to debate if the Steam Deck's supposed to go in that. Oh, definitely not. That'd be a pain in the butt to get in. So it has to go in here, but right there it's pushing on the thumbstick and it's pushing it that way. I don't like that. I don't think this is really built for that. Or you can put it on this, it looks like. So we're going to keep pushing on, seeing where all this stuff's supposed to go. I got a extra large power bank. I guess some people probably have a smaller one. I like this one. That fits like a glove in there. So along with that, I have a keyboard. Let's see if it fits in there. Keyboard. I have a mouse and a bunch of crap. I'm just shoving it all in there. Now there's two pockets on top of this. There's a pocket there and a pocket there, but it seems like it's going to have to be almost like a pencil type of object, because as you put it in there, it bulges this up. I'm putting that like that, and that can go and secure that stuff in there. I think that's almost all my stuff. I can't believe it all fits. I got like USB adapters and all that could slide in there. Not going to really affect it too much. They do have a stand, which can almost fit anywhere in this. But let's try with the Steam Deck on this right here. guessing that's my last option of where I need to put it. Not really secured. Or should I put it this way? Or the other way? I think I should put it this way. It kind of cradles in there a little bit. The cradleness of that part. Doesn't protect the screen at all. But it all fits. And I have plenty of... I can easily zip that up. Like I'm squishing it because there's so much more room in there. I can easily put more stuff on the sides. I really didn't think I was going to like this one out of the other one. But all my stuff fits with plenty of extra room. This is nice and ultra thick. It's not going to keep it from if you buried something on it, but you could always put something on here, some type of material that when you shut it, or when you zip tie it, when you Velcro it, it stays to it. So you could put a protector on there, and as long as everything's secure in here, nothing should really scratch that screen up. Yeah. Feels great in there. Doesn't feel too heavy on the strap. Pretty nice.